welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking all things Cica, be that Cicaplast or Cicalfate. I'll be telling you which one is best for your skin type to help you decide which one to add to your skincare collection. If you're a lover of skincare like me, do not forget to hit the subscribe button to come back for all of my skincare uploads. So we're going to kick things off with the Roche-Posay Cicaplast Baume B5. Now this is an interesting one because they have released a B5 Plus, and from what I can see online, it looks like they're phasing out the original B5. So for that reason, I'm going to disregard this one and focus primarily on the B5 Plus. Containing madecassoside, 5% panthenol, and of course a tribioma. Those three ingredients are what makes the B5 Plus different to the B5 original. The B5 Plus balm was of course formulated for use for the whole family. I really love the texture of the B5 Plus because I do find it to be a little bit finer, a bit easier to work into the skin, especially on skin of colour. It doesn't have the white cast, which the original did have. This is a product that I personally can use every single day across my whole face. I am acne prone, it's never made me break out, but I do prefer to keep it for those moments when my skin barrier is really damaged and in need a little extra TLC. It instantly soothes and hydrates the skin, not leaving any white cast, but of course delivering amazing active ingredients to help repair the skin's barrier. Next up, we have the Avène Cicalfate Plus. This is a restorative balm. Claims to be soothing, repairing, and nourishing for the skin, and of course suitable for the whole family. I do find that the balm is a little bit thicker. Actually, it's quite a bit thicker than the Cicaplast, and I'll just show you applying it onto my skin. It's definitely a thicker balm to work into the skin, not as easy to work in. If you do have particularly dry skin, you might prefer this. So the one thing that is a massive downfall for me about Cicalfate is this white cast. So it doesn't matter how much I work it in, because of the zinc within the product and the size of the zinc particles, I do find that it does leave the tiniest white cast. However, that being said, most of the time when I'm using this product is before I go to sleep anyway. So similarly to the original B5, it's never really been a deal breaker for me as to whether I use this because of the white cast. So as I'm sure you already knew before you watched this video, these products are both extremely similar in that they are both restorative, repairing balms. However, that being said, if you are someone with particularly dry skin that's extremely flaky, you may prefer the Cicalfate from Avène, purely because this product is that little bit thicker. It's going to lock in a hydration a little bit more for the skin. However, that being said, I do think that both products are suitable. Again, I really love this one from the Roche-Posay, the B5 Plus. I can use this both day and night now, whereas before, similarly with the Cicalfate, I could only really wear this product in the evening because of the white cast it did give my skin tone. So I definitely welcome this new addition to the market. I love all three. It just depends on your skin tone, and what it is you're looking for from these balms. But at the end of the day, they are all restorative and will help to repair a damaged skin barrier. Let me know if you own any of these and how you use them as part of your skincare routine. I feel like people use this so differently. It could be for nappy rash, could be for burns, could be for acne, could be for redness. I'm so dying to hear how you use this in the comments. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.